Good day, my craft along buddies. This is Jennifer with Just Crafting Along. Welcome to my channel. Well, good morning, my craft along buddies, and welcome back. Today we are diving right into our very last craft club of the month from Crafter's Companion. I almost didn't get this, but I was like, oh, it's the last one, I'll go ahead and get it. I did take the cover off and see the insert, and I am so glad that I got it. It did say calendar on our auto ship, but then it turned into journaling once we got it. You want this auto ship. You want this very last one. This is going to be a great kit. So let me go ahead and pull out the insert. This is going to be your journaling. This is going to be month number 22. This is going to be our last one. It's hard to believe that we've had 22 months of this. I'm sad to see it go. I'm hoping that the next craft day or the next few craft days, maybe before Christmas or the end of the year, they come back out with Craft Club, because I really enjoyed it. I did like it. I did skip a few, but I really enjoy it. So look at this month 22. It's called journaling, and you get a few things. So if you flip it over, looks like you don't get much, but you get a lot. So let's go ahead and go through it. Let me go ahead and open it. You get a journal cover, journaling paper, printed papers, colored cards. You also get stamps. You're going to get some metal dies and instructions. So let me go ahead and open this. This one is jammed packed. It is full. It's starting to stretch out. It's full. So let's go ahead and dive right into this, because this one's gonna be good. So they're kind of going out with a bang, you know? So I am excited about this one. I have not opened it. I didn't get past the very first thing, which is the cover. This is a actual like faux leather cover with the actual stretchy elastic clips. So this is going to be great. This is going to be, there's a little smudge on mine, but we'll just maybe wipe it off and see if it comes off. But this is going to be great. But it's a full leather cover for your journal. So right here alone, I'm impressed. So let's go ahead and continue on. This is going to be the metal dies. So let's go ahead and see, but this is completely full. So we'll get out our instruction booklet too. I just don't want to ruin any surprise, because I did look at this instruction booklet and I looked at this cover and said, oh, I gotta film this because everyone's gonna be so excited. So let's go ahead and look at our metal dies. And this is, again, this is gonna be journaling. This is gonna be like a paper clip. This is gonna be arrows to point, and then a few odds and ends. This is a picture frame. This is a circle. This is a star. This looks like an arrow with two different size arrows in it. Another big arrow, and this is going to be a paper clip. So let's go ahead and set that aside. Let's go ahead and look at our Craft Club instruction booklet. You can always hit the QR code to go straight to any step-by-steps. I do not believe there is going to be a video. Craig is moving on. He's the one that usually did the videos for our craft clubs. He has been on vacation for a little while, and now he came back and he did step away from Crafter's Companion to go ahead and do other things in life and take other adventures. I wish him well. I'm going to miss him, but I totally understand. So I do not believe there is a 22 video. I will go on and let you guys know if it is. I will put it in the description below. But this is our instruction booklet. This one is going to be one that you're going to want to follow along with, just because it's going to have step by step, and if you've never done a journal before, you might need these extra step by steps. So it actually tells you how to go ahead and put the journal together. But this is the stamps. So these are the goodies. So this book is, again, if you followed me in all of my craft club adventures, I absolutely love these booklets because my mind sometimes goes blank when I go to do a project. So I'm happy to see these booklets. I really like these booklets. So set that aside. Let's go ahead and get out our journaling paper. It is a lot. There's a lot in this little, so it's just gonna be blank sheets that you're gonna fold in half probably to put in there, but you get quite a bit. Let me see if it actually tells you how many pieces. You get 100 pieces of journaling paper. So there's 100 of these, and it's like printer paper, I would say. It's not very thick, but it's definitely a piece of paper. So let's go ahead and set that aside. Here's your clear stamps. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. I'm excited to see these. I haven't seen them yet. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can't get the glare off, so hopefully there's no glare. So you're gonna get, let me put one of these printer papers back here. So you're gonna get the Monday to Tuesday, you're gonna get all days of the week, numbers, you're gonna get to do's. Oh, so this is really, really nice. Great for journaling, breakfast, weather, brunch, lunch, dinner, to-do list, date, all the days of the month down here. So it's basically the calendar and the journal together. So maybe they just changed the name from calendar to journal, but it has everything here for a calendar. So your journal is going to be your calendar. So let's go ahead and put that here. Let's go ahead and put that there. Let's go ahead and get out our printed paper. I'm excited to see this because I don't know what it's going to look like with the journaling. Oh, so let's go ahead and go through these. That's really pretty. So nice rustic-y, garden-y type journal. Very elegant to be put inside of a journal. Almost like a junk journal feel, like a vintage junk journal. Oh, this one's very pretty. These are all these papers I would definitely use. I don't even know if I would use them in my journal. I might use them for cards, but these papers are very nice. Very junk journal-y vibe. So I'm so glad I did not skip this. I think I would have been very upset if I skipped this one. Just the papers alone I would use for other things other than journaling or in a different journal. I'm not for sure if you would use it in this journal, but look how cute these are. Definitely, I think this is the best paper pack they've had so far. I absolutely love these. So if they come back to doing monthly craft clubs, I'm hoping it's more of a elegant vibe. But these papers are I like these papers. I like those papers a lot. So here's some more journaling paper. So here's more journaling paper. Let's see what these ones are. So that must have been 50, and this must be the other 50, because you get a lot of, you get 100 pieces all together. So here's more journaling paper. So that's good, and they're cut down to size. They are 8 by 7, and they're 120 GSMs. I don't know what that is in quality. So you get all this paper, so you're gonna get 100 in total. So this must be 50 and 50. So here's your color card. Oh, and then this is just going to be plain colored cardstock. So I am so happy with the end of our craft club. I am definitely glad that they went out with this one, and I'm glad that I did get it. But let me go ahead and put all this together for you. You get quite a bit. Even if you keep all this in your stash, you get quite a bit of paper. You get quite a bit of paper. You get a big, huge thing of stamps. I'm very impressed with these stamps, and they're good quality, and I like the font on them. So even this font right here, this is going to be nice inside of a journal and something that you can actually read and see. So it's big font. So let me go ahead and put this over here. So I'm very happy with the end of our craft club. I'm glad that they went out with this one. Sad to see it go. I do hope that they come out with something more. So here's our cover. So I would definitely re-enroll in the craft club if they come back out with the craft club. They come out with another craft club at the end of the year, or the next, I don't know if it would be the next one because it's July 13th of 2025. So I'm hoping the next craft day that they come out with another craft club of the month after having some time to figure things out. So I don't know if it will be the next craft day, which is July the 13th of 2025, but I'm hoping by the end of the year that they'll come out with another craft club and we can re-enroll. I'm excited to see if they come out with another magazine, and I'm excited to see if they come out with another craft club. So this is your craft club. This is the very last one. I'm sorry to see this one go, but I'm eager to see what they come up with. And again, I do wish Craig all the best. I can't wait to follow his new adventures, to see what he's going to be doing. I will miss his videos, but I look forward to all the other videos that all the other creators are going to be doing for Crafters Companion. And I look forward to seeing what Crafters Companion is going to come up with once they restructure the business. So this is your End Craft Club. I hope you guys like what you saw today. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for watching, my Craft Along buddies. If you loved what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and see you soon.